Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video. For my returning subscriber, thank you guys for all your support. So into this video guys, I have another unboxing today. It's from Louis Vuitton. There she is guys. It's a small items and I did ending up return the Felicity Pochette. Finally the stores are open. So it's been a week open now guys, and yeah, I did manage to return that, and I was going to exchange that to other bags, but for some reason I don't feel like buying anything from Louis Vuitton. Maybe because I had a few items from them that they sent me, and defects or the quality it's not good or something. So I decided not to get any bag. By the time I get there, instead I ending up a small leather goods, and it's the first time I'm going back in that store. I don't want to be nothing getting into that store. I was like, since I asked if they have available this one, I finally get this item into these hands. And I don't think this is one of the items, hard to get items. I saw this one on the website. I was going to purchase that, but I said, you know what, it's better to wait when the store is open. It's gonna be open soon anyway. So I decided to ask my SC in there, and she's not there actually. She's off by the time I went there. And so yeah, that lady is she served me. She said, yeah, they have available for this one, and she showed me a different kind of mini bags as well. And yeah, like I said, for some reason I don't really into a LV bag at the moment, even though I have a few items that I love to purchase in them. So yeah, there you go guys, this is the items and the receipt. I have two receipts because it's for the refund and the other one. And this is the items guys. Hopefully that this is my last small leather goods item from any of a luxury fashion house. And I got so much small leather goods already, and some of the card holders I didn't use much because there's a few items that I've been using. So yeah, but this one is exceptional because it's really nice, and I don't have this kind of on my collection, and this is famous. So let's unbox now guys. Yeah, I really love that finally it has this available in store. It's been having this on the website as well, but I don't know if people are. I did have a before. Let's open this before I talk about it. So I don't like that noise. Ew. So sorry guys, that noise opening, it's make me gag. Anyway, of course is the items. Of course, it's just as you can see guys, guess what it is? It is a card holder, a reverse monogram card holder. Yes, finally guys, I decided to get this item. To be honest with you, I don't own any flat card holder at all. I was actually debating to get from LV or Chanel. I keep thinking like maybe I should get one in Chanel, but this is like for the price, it's like almost half of the price for this. And I decided, you know what, I'd rather get this one, as I don't have a reverse monogram on my collection, and besides I don't have a like I said, a flat card holder. And this had 4 card slots in one. I mean only 3, 1, 2, and 3. I think Chanel has 5. Maybe that's why it has a That's the name. It's glad sometimes they don't send me like, they don't give me like this one at and Louis Vuitton sometimes. And this one, guys, is, I make sure that I check this one in store because I don't want to return again and find any replacement or refund. And so yeah, I really love. And at the inside, it's black interior inside of this card. And this one is made in France. You guys, made, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's made in France. I'm really glad that I decided to pull this one. And I'm gonna check the actually the serial number of this, but I can't see. Yeah, it's really hard to see, guys. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, it's from, I'm not really good at reading of a serial code of from Louis Vuitton, but so yeah, it's very slim. Never thought I was, first time I saw this one in store. That is the first time I saw the one, the what's it, the push I saw the push-up métis, the reverse mono like this. But for the card holder, that's the first time I saw it there. There was finally available in there, maybe from the lockdown, and it's have other stuff. And I also asked about the mini pushette by the pull, but they don't have any available in the store, and which is good. It's a good thing I don't buy this one. I love that one, but I cannot deal the price for 495 pounds for that. So it's so cute, guys. Sorry for my fingernail, it's so dirty, not even clean. Look at that. So finally I decided to get this monogram from a reverse monogram from LV, then in Chanel. So yeah, I don't think I will add another flat card holder from Chanel because I do have one already. And besides, I don't have a reverse monogram from Louis Vuitton. So there you go, guys. That's it for my quick unboxing and my first impression. To be honest with you, it's so cute. I seen on YouTube people that they don't really like much of this one. Hopefully guys, oh my god, I do have a flap card holder from YSL. So this is the second one. I'm sorry, guys, this is the second one. See, I forgot because that card holder I never used it. Hopefully this one I will use this one since this is a flat card holder. Maybe that's why I don't use my YSL, because of flat, and I got so much, like I said, I got so much card holder. So I hopefully this is my last flat card holder from any luxury fashion house. And yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And also leave a comment below if you have any questions about this card holder. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!